Factors affecting location of manufacturing industry. Raw materials. Industries are generally located close to an area where the raw material required for them are available, especially in case of perishable goods or heavy and bulky raw material. Durgapur and Rourkela steel plants are located close to the mineral-rich Chota Nagpur plateau. Power. Availability of adequate and steady supply of power at low rates is very important for a power-extensive industry. Industries which need high power input, such as iron and steel industry, are located close to thermal or hydroelectric power plants. Labor. Industries which are labor-intensive set up their manufacturing units in thickly populated areas where cheap labor is available. Transport facilities. An excellent network of roads, highways and railways is very important for an industry to carry raw materials to the factory and carry finished goods from the factory to the market. Major industrial centers such as Mumbai, Kolkata in India, London and New York are all port towns. Proximity to water sources. Some industries, such as textile industry, iron and steel industry, require a lot of water. These industries are therefore located near lakes or rivers. Climate. Moderate climates are more congenial for setting up of industry than harsh climates. Cotton textile industry needs a humid climate to avoid incidents of thread breaking. Hence, these industries are concentrated in Gujarat and Maharashtra. Proximity to markets. Finished products of any industry need to be sold. All industries need an access to the markets where such products are needed. That is why, while cotton industries thrive in Ahmedabad, Ludhiana is famous for its woolen industry.